ఆదిలాబాద్ జిల్లా ఆదిలాబాద్ పట్టణంలో గల లిటిల్ స్టార్ స్కూల్లో సైన్స్ ఫెయిర్ కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహించడం జరిగింది. వారిలో ఉన్న ప్రతిభను ఇక్కడ చూపించడం జరుగుతుంది. వీరి ప్రతిభను చూడడానికి పలువురు ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి హాజరయ్యారు.
gorilla, tiger, elephant, forest. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Vikesh. I am from Solanpur. My topic is prevention of road accident and cancer coming in a dynamic accident and project will use today. Our car coming link sensor will sound and the government will be allowed and this map will be go to side of this and sensor is not working very well. That's why I am not showing time. Thank you.
My project name is solar system. In solar system there are 5 planets. First planet name is Mercury. Second planet name is Venus. Third planet name is Earth. Fourth planet name is Mars. Fifth planet name is Jupiter. Sixth planet name is Saturn. Seventh planet name is Uranus. Eighth planet name is Neptune. Thank you. Chandrayaan-3 launched at 2:35 p.m. from July 23, 2023 from Satish Dhawan Space Center. The cost of Chandrayaan is 600 crores. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Safi and this is my friend Subhash. We are from class 6 from Little Star High School. Our project name is Solar and Lunar Eclipse. Observation. During a solar eclipse, the moon passes between the sun and earth causing temporary darkness. Solar eclipse phases include partial and total eclipse. The lunar eclipse occurs when the earth passes between the sun and moon leading to a reddish show. The lunar eclipse phases involve penumbral, partial and total eclipse. The important points are solar eclipse occurs at least 2 times in a year. The lunar eclipse occurs once or twice in a year. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I am from class 8. On the occasion of science fair, I am doing fun with science. Wait 1 minute. I will explain another. We should take water in this. We should take water in this. And we should put the candle. put the candle, and we know that oxygen is everywhere, but when we'll keep this glass, the oxygen levels will complete, and the fire will be put off, and the water will come up. See, candle is putting off, and the water is coming up. You can see. Now I will explain. When we can see that when the smoke is coming, if we will give fire to the smoke, it is coming. You can see that. Next one, we should take methyl orange, and we should take one lemon. We should pour the methyl orange to the knife. Knife, and we should cut. We should cut. It is looking like red now. Magicians will tell that it is black magic and we should do puja. Background is black, but in this back of this science is there. It will react with synthetic oxygen and it will form red. So don't believe black magic. And thank you. Everyone, my name is Zai. My project name is Flavor Top of Content. Good touch. I'm studying in first grade. My exhibit name is body parts. This is face, this is ears, this is nose, this is mouth, this is hand, this is eyes, this is lip, this is arm, this is leg, this is foot, this is digestion system, this is blood circulation, this is heart, this is liver, this is lungs, this is organs. Thank you. Have a nice day. My name is Sarah. I am studying in first class. I am science training, eating animals. This is a giraffe. This is a camel. This is a hippopotamus. This is an elephant. This is a zebra. This is a goat. This is a sheep. This is a dog. Thank you. Have a nice day. Everyone, my name is Arya. My project was saving from Thank you. Have a nice day. big taste called day and night. We have day and night. From the Indian diet, that's one way to call it success. Apart from the planet, day night. In the second era, opposite sides of the planet is night side. For example, when India had a day, America had night. Was both the weather on opposite side of the globe. Thank you.
Louder, okay?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sarika. I am from 7B. Scientific name is Solar System. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Thank you. My name is Akarnavin. I am from second class. My project name is Balance System. The most for the object. Thank you. I am from second grade. Today my topic on food. Food is contained from fats, vitamins, protein and carbohydrates. Fats are the source of store energy, protect our vital organs. We get that from almonds, peanuts and capsules. Vitamins are essential to our body. We get that from capsicum, lemon, pepper and protein. We all need protein because it gives energy to our body. We get that from wheat, redland, white chickpeas. Carbohydrates are also the source of energy and they are the building factors of good molecules. We get that from rice, sugar. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. My name is Emma. I am studying in second week from Little Star High School, Ahmedabad. Today my topic is air pollution. Air is all around us. We cannot see air, but we breathe air. Air gives objects to shape like tires and balloons. We need fresh and clean air, but nowadays air is polluted because of factories, vehicles burning crackers and cutting trees. People like this, we should check our vehicles regularly and don't cut trees. Thank you. Morning to everyone. My name is Anush Shetty. I am from second week. My project name is Eco-Friendly Hospital related to kill the mosquitoes, bacteria and other insects. It is made of natural things like cow dung, leaves, sulfur. It is made of its smoke is not harmful to us. It is easy to prepare and easy to use. Thank you. My name is Krishna. He is my brother Vishal. My project name is different types of clothes. Cotton. We get cotton from cotton plant. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Example: cotton shirt, cotton socks. We get woolen. We get woolen from sheep and yarn. We wear woolen clothes in summer. Example: woolen shirt and woolen muslin. We wear several parts of a plant. This is a root, this is a flower, this is a bud, this is a fruit, this is a leaf, this is a stem. Thank you, have a nice day. My name is Majid. Is a vowel, leaf, into loose. Today we are going to discuss about igloo and igloo shelter. Igloo is made from blocks of snow. Igloo is storm shelter. Igloos are sheltered during winter. The heat will be generated inside the igloo from all and small. Thank you. My name is Krishna. I'm studying in second class. I'm telling about a day. The art and science of mathematics. Growing from the igloo includes the simulation of plants and animals.
What is your experiment? Okay. Which materials did you use in this? Okay. Okay. And what will happen here? ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ? ఇక్కడ It's okay. ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పు. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Dhanush and my partner name is Jaditya. We are from 6th A. Our project name is hydraulic missile launcher. Our aim is to launch a missile. We used cardboards, glue for injections, 2 rubber pipes and 2 small sticks to make it. Now we will check the project is working or not. Press it. The project is working. By the air pressure, the missile launched. By this, it is not polluted. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Musaddiq. I am from class 6th A. And my project name is Hydraulic Bridge. Aim to understand the working of a hydraulic system. Materials required for ignitions, 2 rubber pipes, cardboard and black chart. Now we see the project is working or not. Observation by the project is working. By this project we conclude that the seaside traffic we can remove by this project. Thank you. Have a nice day.
నేను 9వ తరగతి చదువుకుంటున్నాను. నేను లిటిల్ స్టార్ స్కూల్లో చదువుతున్నాను. నా టాపిక్ పేరు లైఫ్ సేవర్. ఇది రైతులకి సంబంధించిన ఒక మిషన్. రైతులు ఒకవేళ నైట్ టైంలో ఒకవేళ పొలాలకు వెళ్ళినప్పుడు అప్పుడు పాములు అలాగే విషపూరితమైన జంతువులు వచ్చే ప్రమాదం ఉంది. అందుకే ఈ మిషన్ నేను తయారు చేశాను. ఎప్పుడైతే రైతు ఈ మిషన్ ని పట్టుకొని ఏ టైంలో అయినా పోతే అంటే ఎంత చీకట్లో అయినా పోయినా ఈ దీంతో జంతువులు రైతు దగ్గరికి రాదు. ఎందుకంటే ఎనిమల్ బిహేవియర్ ప్రకారం వైబ్రేషన్ తోనైనా లేదంటే డిస్కో లైట్ తోనైనా లేదంటే ఎలాంటి శబ్దం విన్నా దూరం వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ వైబ్రేట్ అవుతుంది. ఈ మోటార్ వైబ్రేట్ అవ్వడంతో ఈ మోటార్ ని వైబ్రేటింగ్ మోటార్ అంటారు. ఇది వైబ్రేట్ అవుతుంది. ఈ వైబ్రేటింగ్ మోటార్ తో పాములు గాని ఎలాంటి విషపూరితమైన జంతువులు గాని దూరం వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. దీనితో రైతు అతని ప్రాణాన్ని రక్షించగలరు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good morning everyone. My name is Prash. I am from Little Star High School, Adilabad, and my project name is Heart. Heart is a main organ in our body. It contains blood and it pumps blood, and it consists of 4 chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. Right atrium and right ventricle consist of impure blood which receives from other body organ. It is known as deoxygenated blood. And left atrium, left ventricle consist of pure blood which receives from lungs. Right atrium and right ventricle will send impure blood to the lungs, and lungs will add oxygen, and it sends oxygenated blood to left atrium and left ventricle. Left atrium and left ventricle sends the blood to other body organs. In this way, the blood circulation will happen. Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Varsha, and she is my partner Samiksha. We are here to, on the occasion of Science Fair, we are here to show how water fountain works without electricity. So take up 2 water bottles and piece of a straw. Make a hole to water bottle and insert the straw to hole, and make a hole to a cup under the bottle. Insert the straw and take a plastic cup and glue it with the cap of the bottle and make a hole. Then insert the another long straw. After this, with the air pressure, water flows like a fountain. You can see here. You can see how water is flowing with air. Thank you, Hannah. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chaitra. And my name is Vaishnavi. We are from grade 8. We are here to prove that sound has energy. Materials required. We took a plastic wrapper, rubber band, a bowl, a Bluetooth speaker, and a mobile phone. Procedure. First, we have took a bowl and we inserted a Bluetooth speaker in it and covered the mouth of the bowl with the help of plastic cover and with the help of rubber band. And then we have put some salt crystals on it, and then observation. So when we put and we play some music, the crystal salt will move like this. So by this we can say that sound has energy. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Everyone, my name is Tamisha. I am from Yaituli. My project name is Mixer. How it will work, I will show you. It will use to save electricity.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anshari and my partner name is Shrikant. We are from 7th A. My project name is Chandrayaan 3. Aim to know about Chandrayaan 3 project. Materials required: battery, motor, switch, wire, paper, cardboard, colors, paper. Observation: we observe that the Chandrayaan has shared its finding that the temperature of lunar soil is around 50 degrees Celsius. Chandrayaan at the first time ever it's landed in South Pole and it's soft landed on Moon. It's go down in the history.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Avik and my partner Ashrik. This is a project LDR street light sensor, and this project is based on LDR sensor and a bulb. This project is to prevent accidents from road accidents when it is night. Because of this project, we can prevent accident. When night is there, the light will glow, and when day occurs, the light stop glowing because of the LDR sensor. And my friend will explain how does it use.
We are creating artificial darkness. When the darkness created, the light will glow. When we remove the darkness in the sunlight, it will stop glowing.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anand. Here is my friend.
I am Furkan. This is our project hydraulic lifter. It is used in many ways like tractors, JCBs, cranes, and etc. This is made by Pascal's principle. Now my friend Anand will explain how the Pascal principle works.
This project work on Pascal's principle. Pascal's principle explains that if we apply pressure in enclosed figure, it will be distributed equally or uniformly. If the force is not distributed equally or uniformly, it can be tilted. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Saitya and he is my friend Kapil. Our project name is sprinkler system which is used in the farmers and kitchen gardens. Now we will explain how to do the project.
Aim of the project is to know about the sprinkler system in the kitchen gardens of farms. Materials required: battery, pump, motor, and the battery button trace.
The procedure is to take a tray and fill with water and take pump, battery and switch, connect them and take pipe and connect with the sketch, make the holes to the sides of sketch and you can see the result.
By this project, Good afternoon everyone. My name is Faizan Akmal. On behalf of Science Fair, I prepared my model drip irrigation. Aim to do this model is to save the water, tell the farmers to use the water in limited edition and to give proper nutrition to every plant. Materials required is one pump, two batteries, switch, connector, water, soil, tub, two tanks, etc. Procedure is take one tub, two small tanks, take one pump, two batteries, one connector, switch, etc. and attach all and keep the pump in water. And take pipe and do small holes. Attach the pipe, attach the cotton in holes and turn on the motor. You can see that water goes drop by drop. You can see that water is going drop by drop. Thank you.
Our project name is Homemade RC Car. Homemade RC car procedure. It has 4 motors and the front 2 motors will have the car to forward direction and backward direction. See, you can see this. You can also see this. This is working together and it aim to entertain the kids. Material required. The material is what? 4 wheels, 4 DC motors, 2 iron rods, 2 threads, 10 cells, 1 battery, 1 LED light. Result: our project was successfully completed. Thank you. Conclusion: I conclude that this project is to entertainment the kids. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Kamran. My partner is Likit Murarka. My project name is Mini Electric Lift. The aim of the project is to help elder peoples and material requires motors and 2 motors, thread, cardboard and shell and button. Now my partner will continue procedure. Thank you. We should take a cardboard and we should cut it in the shape of a building. Now we should attach 2 motors here with the rotator and here one gear motor with the rotator. Now we should tie the thread on it with connecting to the lift and we should connect it with the cell. So when we start the switch, it rotates and the lift comes up. You can see. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Dikshit. I am from Star High School, Adilabad of 7th standard.
My project name is Vertical Axis Wind Turbine. With the help of this, we can generate our own energy and we can save our energy. How? It is a setup of road. In the road, the vehicles will move very fast. So, when the vehicles will move very fast, the air pressure will generate. With the help of that air pressure, these turbines will start moving. When these turbines will spin, the electricity are generating and in this battery that will store, and this battery will give power to this all street lights, and this all street lights are automatically function. While the daytime it will not work. When the darkness is coming, now it will when the darkness is come, after it will go. Now I will off automatic button, so it will work normally like this. When the I will now on I will dark mode, and I will keep here hand, so the lights will come. With the help of this, we can generate our own energy, and it is very useful to our society and our people. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mahendra. This is my partner Sriya. We are here about science fair. Our project name is to collect plastic which are spreading in water bodies.
Aim of our project: recovery of plastic which are spreading in river.
Materials required. We required motors, batteries, tiles, nut, cardboard, scissors, glue gun, etc. Procedure.
Nowadays, people are so negligent, so they are spreading our water bodies with the help of plastic. So that we invented this machine to avoid the plastic. With this machine, we can avoid the plastic so much.
With this machine, we can collect all the plastic which are floating in water bodies. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Rishik and I am from 7th class. This is my project, gas level monitoring system. It is useful when the LPG gas may need a high explosion of leakage, so that we have a message in this program called Arduino, and this is software called Blink. I have a type of coding in laptop. When the high explosion leakage of high explosion gas will occur, this will max 100, and it will show the warning of LED in a red color. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Manvi. I am studying in 5th class. My topic name is Space of Technology Chandrayaan-3. Aim to demonstrate safe and soft landing on lunar surface. Material required: infusion set, injections, white paper, tape. Procedure: Chandrayaan-3 is the third lunar moon mission conducted by Indian Research Organization (ISRO). It consists of a lander Vikram and rover Pragyan, similar to Chandrayaan-2 but does not have an orbit. It was launched on 14 July 2023 from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Its primary objective is to demonstrate the capability of achieving a soft landing on lunar surface. According to the ISRO, Chandrayaan-3 has cost about rupees 615 crores. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Ansika of class 8th. My project name is Thief Detecting Alarm. Nowadays in our society we are seeing many robberies are happening, thieves are coming, and our house is not safe. So if we are going outside if we are leaving our house and we are going, if thief comes also we don't know. So that's the reason I made this project. So now if thief or anyone is coming to our house, then the buzzer will move, and also we can connect this in app also. In phone we can install the app, and also if thief comes, then in the app we will get ringtone and also the photo of this person, And now I will show you how it works. If any person is coming inside, so then if we on the switch, then if he is coming, we will get the buzzer. Thank you. And this is very useful in our daily life, and we can protect ourselves, or we can protect our house from the thieves. Thank you.
I'm Tanva of class 8, and this is my model automatic drainage cleaner. We see many problems in the society. One of the important problem is this: municipality people are facing much difficulty to clean the drainage. Not only them, but also the people who live around the drainage are facing difficulty by mosquitoes and also the foul smell. So here is the solution, that is automatic drainage cleaner. So it works through DC motor, conductors and battery. When we attach this conductors to the battery, it works in a such way, and it cleans the drainage in an easier way, and it helps the society. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Achit. My friend name is Saharsh. My project name is Infection Control Model. AM to control infection. Material required:
Dettol, sanitizer, mask, and etc.
Procedure: we should maintain every time social distance, and we should wash our hands every time. We should wash our hands every time thoroughly. Washing our hands steps. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is K. Ayan. I am studying in 4th B. My project name is pottery. The clay is prepared. The clay is shaped on a wheel. The clay is stapled to give it a better shape. The pot is painted. The pot is baked in a kiln. Thank you. This is ink. This round of. Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Sanket. I am studying in 2nd class. I have made a hanging swing brings all the waste material like bottle caps, straw, cardboard, thread, a DC motor. This hanging swing constantly lost power. You can't save electricity. We all enjoy. Thank you. My name is Dheeraj. Studying in 2nd class. I do project water tank. In water supply to this one tank supply to this columns come to water. Have a nice day. My project. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rishika. My project name is types of houses: igloo, boathouse, tent, hut. Thanks. Lavanya, I am from 2nd class. Today I am going to discuss about my project name is global warming. Global warming is one of the biggest problem faced by the world. Global warming is very harmful for the environment. Global warming means increasing the earth temperature causes of global warming, deforestation, pollution, population. Global warming brings us to many dangerous diseases, human life, repercussions of global warming. Planting more trees, less electricity, control the population. Thank you, have a nice. Good morning, everyone. My name is Suresh. I am studying in 2nd day. I am project name is traffic signal. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashita. My project name is types of cloth. In summer season, we wear woolen cotton cloths. Pant, t-shirts. In winter season, we wear jackets and blouse, socks. My name is Mohammed Saad. We are from 2nd day. My project name is sense organs: brain, lungs, heart, kidney, large intestinal pus, eyes, ears, nose, skin, mouth. Thank you. My name is Shahnawaz Khan. I am going to solar system. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune. Anita Masculine Creative High School. My topic name is types of plants: tree, shrub, climber, herb, creeper. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Swaruchana. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vishal Jadhav. I'm saying Tamita Madan, and this is his CPU box, and this is mouse. This is keyboard. This is monitor, and this is speaker. Thank you. My name is Devansh. I am from Tade. My project name is Mission Kakatiya. Mission Kakatiya is a tank restoration and rejuvenation program. It started on the state of Telangana. The program was started on 12th March 2015 by the CM KCR. Thank you. Have a nice day. I am telling about different types of houses. This one is igloo are made of big blocks of snow. Pakka house made of bricks and cement. Kabja house made of mud and straw. Tent house made of sheet and straws. Hut house made of mud and clay. Tree bank of branches. Stilt house are made of bamboo, cement, stone and wood. My name is Vaishnavi. I am from 3rd A. I am going to tell different types of animals and birds. Ladybug is a bird, butterfly is a bird, penguin is an animal, crow is an animal, peacock is a bird, fish is an animal, tortoise is an animal, cat is an animal, rabbit is an animal, elephant is an animal. Thank you, have a nice day. My project name is Parts of a Plant. This is called fruit. This is called leaf. This is called flower. This is called leaf. This is called stem. This is called roots. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Kritika. I am studying 3rd A. My topic is insects. Example: silverfish, prawn, green sticky bug, mosquito, wasp, door spider, firefly, cricket, housefly, lobster, earthworm, snail, cockroach, butterfly, ladybug, and thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Veena. I am from Tade. My project name is Magic with Science. Now I will show the experiment. First we have to take the gas, then we have to take the shampoo, then we have to take the vinegar, then we have to take the baking soda. It will form a gas. Thank you. My topic name is types of houses. Houses made with brick, cement, wood, steel and tiles is called Pakka house. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Maulia. I am from 3rd A. My project name is Digital India. Digital India was decided to launch by our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, on 1st July 2015. Digital India means less paperwork. Paperwork take a lot of time. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jayesh Radhe. This is Inaya. Today we're gonna tell about health and cleanliness. We have shown some yoga poses. If we do these poses every day, our health will be good. And here we shown some junk foods. If we will eat junk foods, our stomach will pain. And here we shown vegetables and fruits. If we will eat vegetables and fruits, our body will maintain fitness. Here are human lungs. Both the parts are different. One is healthy and one is unhealthy because of smoking. In similar way, other parts of our body will get damaged if we drink alcohol. So we should not drink alcohol and smoke. These are two types of dustbins. One is biodegradable and one is non-biodegradable. The biodegradable dustbins are used. Biodegradable wastes are mixed in soil and non-biodegradable wastes cannot mix in soil. Example of biodegradables are paper and etc. Non-biodegradable waste example are plastic. So we should keep our environment clean and use these two dustbins to keep our environment safe. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gitanjali. I am studying in 4th B. My project name is Earth's gravitational force. Gravitation is a force that attracts a body towards the center of the earth or physical body having mass. This gravity was first described by the great scientist Sir Isaac Newton. He knew this incident in his life by seeing the fruit falling on the earth. Earth has its own gravity, attracts every object towards it. From this, he learned that planets and stars have their own gravity. Thank you. My name is Tanusri. I am from 4th B. My project name is Types of Teeth. Teeth are precious creation of the human body. There are 32 teeth in the human mouth. There are 5 types of teeth in the mouth. White teeth enhance the beauty of the human being. Teeth should be cleaned daily with a brush morning and at night. After taking food, teeth should be cleaned properly. If teeth are not cleaned properly, gum problem also arise. There are 4 types of teeth in the mouth: canines, incisors, molars, premolars. Thank you. Have a nice day. Everyone, my name is Yuktashi. I am from 4th B. My project name is Digital India. Digital India is project started by the Government of India on 1st July 2015 in order to transform India into a complete digitally empowered as well as knowledgeable country of the world. This project is interconnected by the various governmental such as education, agriculture, etc. in order to achieve a promising bright future. It is like a golden opportunity for India when got implemented properly. Digital India mainly focuses on making our country a digital nation. It aims to India a better government place in the world. Digital India play a crucial role in our life. Thank you. Have a nice day. Next time studying in 4th B. My topic name is houses. Then I know this is apartment igloo, Patra house, sloping. My project name is biodiversity park. This is a forest living animals. This is aquatic animals. This is snow region animals. This is desert animals. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lekya. I am from 4th B. My project name is Parts of Flower. This is petal. This is sepal. This is pedicel. This is stomach. This is. Thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Tikriti. I am from 4th B. My project name is water harvesting. We know that 71% water is covered by surface water. Water is the main process of this. We know water is colorless and odorless. Water is about 50 to 65% human body is covered made up of water. Thank you. My name is Sateja. I am from 4th B. Today I will explain you what's the water cycle. Water to water vapor is called as water cycle. Water vapor to the clouds is called as condensation. Clouds to rain is called as precipitation. And storage under the ground is called as transpiration. And the collection of water is called as collection. This is the important parts of the water cycle: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, transpiration, collection. Thank you. My name is Harcharan. My project name is Rural and Urban Areas. In rural areas there are poor people. In urban areas there are rich people. In rural areas, they are lower health care. In urban areas, they are better health care. In rural areas, there are huts. In urban area, there are buildings. Thank you and have a nice day. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alfia. I am studying in 4th standard. My aim is to know about types of teeth. For making this project, materials I used cardboard, fevicol, glue gun, etc. For making this project, first take a cardboard and cut into rectangular shape. Then take a cardboard and cut into teeth shape. Paste the teeth on it, attach the bow jaws and paste a tongue on it. Based on their function and structure, teeth are about 4 types. Incisor, canines, premolars and molars. Incisor, there are total of 8 incisors, 4 in each jaw. Incisor help us in cutting and biting food. A sharp and pointed canine is present on the both sides of the incisor. There are total of 4 canines, 2 in each jaw. Canines help us in tearing food. Third, premolars. There are total of 8 wide and flat premolars. Premolars help us in crushing and chewing food. Fourth, molars. There are total of 12 molars, 6 in each jaw. Molars help us in grinding and chewing food. Thank you. I am from 4th. My project name is means of transport. Material, vehicle stores, gum, chart paper. Land transport, car, bike, way. Water transport, boat, air transport helicopter. Thank you, have a nice day. Everyone, my name is Asika. I am studying in 4th. My project name is Formation of Organism. Aim to know about formation of organism. Materials, markers, cardboard, color papers, producer. I take an cardboard and cut into square shape. I draw on the chart and I paste it in cardboard. Result, our body is made up of cell. Observation, our body is made up of cell, to tissue, to organ system, to organism. Conclusion, I conclude that our body is made up of small cell. Thank you. Morning everyone, my name is Shriya. This is my friend Kid Adya. Ear, we hear with our ear. We should never put any sharp or pointed object such as a pin or a matchstick in our ear. Eyes help us to see the world around us. We should take care of our eyes by doing the following things. Nose, we smell with our nose. It helps us identify different odors. Our nose helps us breathe. We inhale and exhale air through our nostrils. Tongue helps us to taste different types of taste food. Skin helps us to sense touch, pressure, cold, heat. Thank you. Peter from 4th day. Welcome to Insects World. My project name is Helpful and Harmful Insects. Let us start with helpful insects. Honeybee. Honeybee are very small and flying insects. It collects nectar from flowers and make honey. Butterfly. Butterfly has 6 legs, 4 wings and 2 antennas. It collects pollen and keep in a fruit or a flower to make new seed. Ladybug and dragonfly are also helpful insects. Now harmful insects. Cockroach. Cockroach spread diseases like cough and sick. Its swarm add dust particle or a waste food particles. Mosquito. Mosquito spread diseases like malaria, chikungunya, dengue. It's cause bite and itching. Caterpillar and grasshopper are the harmful insects. So we should protect ourselves from harm. Thank you. Have a nice day. My name is Vignesh. I am from 4th. My project name is Nutrition Food. The food that we eat contains substances that help our body to grow and stay healthy. Substances are called nutrients. Nutrients are bodybuilding food, energy giving food, protective food. Thank you. Have a nice day. My name is Suhas. I am from 4th class. My project name is Homes of Animals. Animals need shelter to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain and enemies. Their shelters are referred to as their homes. Different animals live in different kinds of homes. A place where an animal lives are called habitat. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning everyone, my name is Zaid. I am from 4th class and my project name is X-ray tally system. The waste products need to be removed from our body body. The pair of skin is remove waste products from our body in the form of urine. My name is Kavya. I am from 4th A. Good morning everyone. My name is Kavya. I am from 4th A. My project name is traffic signal. Traffic signal maintain the rule on a road. Traffic signal has 3 colors that are red, yellow, green. Red indicates to stop, yellow indicates to get ready, and green indicates to go. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning everyone. My name is Niyati. I am from 4th A. I am going to tell about land pollution. Land pollution refers to the contamination of the land surface. Deforestation and urbanization are the some of the reasons why land is polluted. Thank you.
గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఈరోజు మా లిటిల్ స్టార్ పాఠశాలలో స్కూల్ లెవెల్ సైన్స్ ఫేర్ని కండక్ట్ చేసినాము. దీంట్లో నర్సరీ నుండి 10వ తరగతి పిల్లలు చాలా ఉత్సాహంతో పాల్గొన్నారు. ముఖ్యంగా 300 ఎగ్జిబిట్స్, 500 స్టూడెంట్లు ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొన్నారు. దీని కొరకు మాకు పేరెంట్స్ నుండి చాలా సపోర్ట్ వచ్చింది. అదేవిధంగా సైన్స్ టీచర్లు 1 నెల నుండి ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో నిమగ్నమైనారు. దీంట్లో భాగంగా పిల్లలు ప్రజెంట్ కండిషన్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి, సొసైటీలో వాళ్ళు ఫేస్ చేస్తున్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని ఎక్కువగా తీసుకున్నారు. దాంతోపాటు రీసెంట్గా అయిన చంద్రయాన్ గురించి కూడా చూపించినారు. మళ్ళీ చిన్నపిల్లలు కూడా వాళ్ళకు లేని టాపిక్స్, పెద్దవాళ్ళ టాపిక్స్ కూడా తీసుకున్నారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమము మేము గత 25 ఇయర్స్ నుండి చేస్తున్నాము. దీంట్లో అందరూ చాలా ఉత్సాహంతో పాల్గొంటున్నారు. ఇదే విధంగా మ్యాథ్స్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ కూడా డిసెంబర్ 22 రోజు చేస్తాము. దీని కొరకు సహకరించిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుకుంటాం.
మీరు చేసే కార్యక్రమాలు ముందుగా మాకు తెలపగలరు. మీరు చేసే ప్రతి కార్యక్రమాలు మీకోసం మీ టీవీలో రావాలి అంటే మీరు ఛానల్ వాట్సాప్ నంబర్కు వీడియోలు పంపగలరు. సెల్ 9490739246.